Welcome to GENCO FOREX tutorials, your home of sincere FOREX lessons. Today we shall lay emphasis on the law of effort versus results and other rules governing volume trading. There are multiple ways of trading Forex, so it's vital to choose an appropriate approach that is well suited for your trading experience. The law of effort versus result. Should you relax as a Forex trader? Should you relax as a Forex trader? The Forex and stock markets are continually attempting to go in one direction or another. These attempts may be very short in duration or very lengthy. Whatever happens, they represent an effort generally expressed as volume, and when the price responds to the effect or effort, an important price movement likely occurs. But when the effort and price movements contradict each other in the form of divergence, there is likely to be an important change in the market direction. Similar to Newton's third law, every action must have an equal but opposite reaction. So how to trade with price and volume? 1. Define the nearest supply and demand zone based on a top-down analysis. 2. Wait for price to come to the zone and analyze the candle associated with the volume at that level. Use price action to see if there is a reversal or continuation associated with volume. Please watch the video linked in the description to get a better learning understanding about volume analysis and trading. There are 3 laws required to trade volume in Forex. The law of supply and demand, the law of cause and effect, the law of effort versus results. These rules are also known as Wyckoff's basic laws. Let's now look at these rules, beginning with demand and supply. For demand and supply, price equals direction of trend. The volume equals trend of trend. Price and volume should be in conformation with market direction. Divergence should lead to market weakness. The second law, which is the law of cause and effect. The law of cause and effect tells us if there is no preparation, there will be no move in the market. Therefore, there must be a cause that has an inseparable effect on the final result. Hence, when volume harmonizes with price, the effect will be directly proportional to the cause influencing the change. In other words, a small volume will only produce a small amount of price action, and if the cause is large, the effect will be large as well. Courses usually appear in the form of rectangular and triangular patterns, including flags and ranges. Please do well by checking the last two videos on demand and supply, inside bar and volume trading analysis. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing if you're just joining us for the first time.